How are we looking today?
So much better. I mean, temperature is going to be rising nicely into around 70 degrees without that pesky smoke, lingering in the air, right? We have had a little bit of that in some spots still so far this morning, but it's so much better already than it was yesterday at this time. So you can get outside and you don't really have to worry too much about that smoke, unless, of course, you have asthma or your lungs are a little bit more sensitive, in which case you're just taking some precautions this morning. Again, things should be better for most of the area this afternoon. Right now on I-35, temps are in the 40s. It's 48 in Rochester, 54 in Preston, though, a touch warmer. There's some clouds overhead between Charles City, Rochester, Fillmore County, which are holding on to some of that heat, but those clouds will be clearing away. Taking a look at the air quality index, in the yellow is most of our area. Yesterday we were in the red, 2 levels higher. It was straight up bad. Now this morning it's pretty okay. It's not perfect, it's not good necessarily, but it's not bad either. It's just so-so, it's moderate, right? But what's coming our way, you'll look towards the north and east, winds out of the north and east today, right? Clean air moving on in. That's going to bring in clean air and move that smoke away from us. So the air quality is already so much better than it was yesterday, and it continues to get better. Right now, taking a look at the radar, a couple of lingering clouds over parts of northeast Iowa that does actually extend up northward through most of our area into Rochester and pretty much everywhere else with some clouds. But those are not going to last too much longer, because as temperatures rise into the 50s real soon, it's going to poke some holes through those clouds, and it's going to let the sunshine come out. So a mix of sun and clouds this morning, but getting increasingly sunny through the day. Already by lunchtime, low 60s, touching 70 degrees this afternoon. I want to show you again that wildfire smoke. This is coming from Canada, but with winds out of the northeast today, that's going to blow this away to our west. Some of this smoke is going to start to pile up in parts of eastern South Dakota and parts of Nebraska, but for us, we will be a-okay by this afternoon and tomorrow morning. So today, tomorrow, 2 great days to get outside, which I think you should, because later this week, it's not a for sure thing. 70 degrees this afternoon. Fast forward through Wednesday, starting off the morning with sunny skies around 50 degrees and ending in the low 70s. But then on Thursday in the morning, a couple of showers starting to push through, and that continues to linger with some chances for a couple of stronger isolated storms Thursday evening. So there's a lingering chance on Thursday for some rain, and that's not the only chance. Let's bring you just here to the 7-day forecast, where the weekend is always in view. Friday, small chance, although it's still looking like a nice day. But then Saturday, Sunday, and into early next week, the weather pattern is generally wet. That means if you need to get out to the fields, because you